10 Ways to Handle a Cheating Partner. Cheating is one of the most difficult situations to handle. Whether you're the cheater or the cheated on, it can be emotionally draining and lead to all kinds of problems in your relationship. If your partner did cheat on you, it might be hard for you to believe that they are still capable of loving you. However, there are many ways for you to handle a cheating partner so that both parties can move forward with their lives and go on as normal. Here are some tips for handling a cheating partner. 1. Don't go on a rampage. It's tempting to want to make a scene, but don't. Your partner is likely to be embarrassed and ashamed, and will lie about what happened. Don't listen to the lies, just get out of there as quickly as possible. 2. Don't try to find out who did it. You're not going to get any satisfaction from knowing who your partner was cheating with, and if he or she finds out that you were snooping around, it'll only lead to more drama. 3. Don't rush to judgment. It's easy to be angry and hurt when you find out your partner has been cheating on you. But it's important to take some time before you decide how to handle the situation. The first thing you should do is talk with your partner about what happened, and why they did it. If they give you a good explanation, then maybe it's not as bad as it seems. However, if they don't seem genuine or remorseful, then there may be more going on than just an affair. 4. Consider whether or not it's worth it to stay with them. This depends on how much time has passed since their last affair and how many times they've done this before. Some people can forgive one instance of infidelity, while others will never forgive even one slip-up. 5. Don't blame yourself for what happened. Even if there were signs that something was off before the affair occurred, i.e., if your partner suddenly started working late every night, no one deserves to be cheated on, and it is not your fault they strayed from their marriage vows. 6. Don't be too quick to forgive. Just because he or she wants you back, a true apology comes from the heart and not from the mouth. It may take some time for the person who cheated to realize how much they've hurt you and how much they want your forgiveness. Don't give up on them too quickly because they might surprise you. 7. Separate yourself from the situation as much as possible. Don't allow yourself to become involved in an emotional tug-of-war with your partner over whether or not they should stay with their lover or come back to you. The best thing that you can do is give them space so that they can make up their own minds about what they want to do next in their lives. 8. Don't make rash decisions. If your partner has been unfaithful in the past, it can be tempting to think that this will happen again in the future too. But don't jump to conclusions about their character based on one mistake, even if they've done this before. Instead of making assumptions based on their past behavior. 9. Make sure you have a support system. You may need someone to talk to about what is happening and how you feel about it, so make sure that you have people who can be there for you and listen without judgment or criticism.